All right, folks, we are now into trial 2 of the third part of our household acids and bases lab. So this is cleaning product 2. This one is also ammonia, but it's a different brand. So this is, let me make sure I can read that, Roundy's ammonia. So Roundy's. Okay, and so then let's get some blue pH paper here. Oh, actually, first, before we do that, dang it. Before we do that, let's collect some ammonia. You can see this ammonia is a different color. I think the last one had some food coloring in it. Okay, and so then let's go ahead and add that to well number 9 here. Bubble that I'm trying to pop. There we go. All right, should be plenty in there. Let's test our blue pH paper. Now let's test our red pH paper. Okay. And now we can do our pH paper. Okay, so for our blue pH paper, we should look at that one first. You can see that that's definitely still blue. Our red pH paper has definitely turned blue. Our pH paper, just kind of like with that last ammonia, looks like it's right about 9, maybe 9.5. And you can see it's kind of like a greenish or greenish blue color, like a dark green. Okay, so go ahead and write all that down, and then we'll move on to the next trial.